Hello, my name is Alexandra Carade, and I am a member of the Spark Learning Labs business coaching team. In this video today, we're going to be talking about paying yourself, a guide for sole proprietors. In today's conversation, we will discuss why you should pay yourself regularly, how you pay yourself and how much, and how you get started doing so. According to the Small Business Association, a sole proprietorship is the simplest business structure. It is an unincorporated business owned and run by one individual with no distinction between the business and you, the owner. Many childcare owner-operator directors who are sole proprietors do not see a regular income. So you need to put systems in place to begin paying yourself. Why should you pay yourself? Regular pay is better for you and your family. You need money to pay for your own expenses. You need to keep up with your bills and avoid using credit cards and accruing debt. Relief funding allows for regular staff payment and benefits as allowable costs. However, you must be able to properly document that you have been paying yourself. To pay yourself, first you open up a business bank account. This will keep your personal money and your business money separate. Once your accounts are set up and running, to get paid, you transfer money from your business account into your personal account. This is called a draw. You write a check to yourself. You could also make a transfer into your personal account and make a direct deposit. Next, you track that transaction. If you're using an accounting software, you can mark transactions to yourself as an owner's equity or disbursement. After you've begun to pay yourself, it may be a good time for you to think about what business structure benefits you the most. Certain business structures, such as an LLC, provide another layer of separation from your personal and business identities for liability purposes. Becoming a W-2 employee of your own corporation can also provide tax benefits. However, we advise that you speak with an attorney if you are interested in changing your business structure. How much should you pay yourself? To determine this, you first want to draft a monthly budget. You can use this to track your actual revenue and expenses to understand how much you typically take in and pay out in expenses for the month. That will help you to visualize what impact paying yourself may have on your budget. Next, you'll want to track your cash flow. Your cash flow helps you understand how much you are actually taking in versus paying out each month, and how much that amount fluctuates. Performing the cash flow projection will allow you to decide how much you should pay yourself each month, because it might vary. You'll need to determine what you can afford. Can you pay yourself with what remains in your cash flow? And is this a comfortable salary for you? Ultimately, you may need to make adjustments. Paying yourself should be treated just as any other necessary expense line item. It's essential for your business operation. If you're hesitant to pay yourself because the program is not making a profit or it has a very slim profit, you should evaluate all your expenses and see if there is room to cut down other costs, or think of ways that you can increase revenue. So in sum, what we discussed in this video, the 5 steps get started with paying yourself. First, you'll open a business bank account, essential to separating personal funds and beginning to track business expenses. Be mindful of fees. Second, know what money is coming in and going out. Use your budget and cash flow to help inform the amount that you will pay yourself. Third, commit to an amount that you will pay yourself. Even if it is low, stick to whatever you commit to. You will be able to make changes along the way to figure out what works best for you. Fourth, keep track of your drawers. Proper record keeping is a must. 5, be mindful of your tax obligations. Set money aside to cover your anticipated tax obligation for the year. Free business coaching is available for you. You can view resources online at indianaspark.com/training-calendar. You can register for free one-on-one business coaching at the link in this PowerPoint. Business coaching is available in English and Spanish. Best of luck.